Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Court here, and today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, and I have questions that were given to me by Ari. I'm so excited because we are doing another collab. My hair looks like a freaking mess. What the heck? Ghetto. Okay, so yeah, so I have 10 questions here. I'm gonna answer all of them because I feel like with a get ready with me, like it's only right to answer all my questions. And I'm excited to give you guys the 411 about me. This will be really fun. I've always wanted to do this. So without further ado, no more talking because I talk too much, okay? I talk too much, that's my problem. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. This is going to be a fall look. This will be a soft fall glam using the new, well, it's not really new. It's actually already been out, but it's new to me. So I'm gonna be using this Reezy palette today. It's so beautiful and all these colors are so gorgeous. So I'm excited to use it. So let's get into this video. So question number 1 is, where do you see your YouTube channel going within the next few years? That's a good question. I guess I would say if I become more consistent and continue with the consistency on my channel, I think that I could go pretty far. What I would like to see my channel do is at least hit like 100K. I want my channel to grow big, and I want myself to grow with it and to become more, I guess, like make an impact, more balanced, create a schedule, be more organized, be more on my stuff with it, because I feel like I'm not going as far as I could. So in the next few years, I'm thinking like maybe my channel would be bigger, have more of an impact, like make an impact. Definitely I want my channel to make an impact. I want the like It Girl squad to be taken as far as like teaching girls how to make their own businesses, how to start like something that they've always wanted to do, how to create and promote the courage that you can do it. Like that's the impact that I want my channel to create in the next few years. And I want it to get big. I do definitely want to have a big lasting impact and like get to the point where I can make a foundation or make something that would help all women of all age just to go farther in their life. So it's that impact I'm trying to make. Is, do you have any goals that are bigger than yourself? Ooh, sis. Yes, I have huge goals. I want to one day own a winery. So a vineyard. I want to harvest and grow my own grapes. I want to make my own wine. I want to learn how to do that. I definitely I love wine. I love alcohol. It's like either between making a new vodka or wine. Probably I could most likely see myself making new vodka. Something, some tequila, something. But I definitely do want to own a vineyard. That is a bigger thing. And I also want to invest and own a franchise. So like maybe a franchise of what's a franchise that I always think about, like McDonald's. A McDonald's franchise, definitely. A Dunkin' Donuts, a Starbucks. Like I've always wanted to own like something big. A franchise that can like provide money for a community, provide jobs, and do all of that. Is, how do you trust meeting new friends after being betrayed by old ones? I don't know. I'm just not against making new friends because I feel like that last person that did that to you is not gonna do it to you because you're not taking that energy into the next friendship. And I also believe that everyone is different. Just because you've experienced heartache with friendships does not mean that the next friend that you make is gonna do the exact same thing to you. And if they do, then reevaluate the energy that you're putting in. But also, I just always am optimistic about new people that I meet. I'm never thinking like, oh, they're gonna do the exact same thing that like she just did to me or that he just did to me. Like, I'm very optimistic when it comes to meeting new people and making new friends. What are some instant turnoffs for you? Instant turnoffs, ignorance. Ignorance. You know when a guy is ignorant. Like, you know when he's ignorant. You know when he's ignorant. Like, homophobia turns me off. Let's see. Turnoffs. Being bad hygiene. I'll say that. Bad hygiene. Like, bad hygiene in the mouth. My mom is a dentist. I do not accept bad hygiene. That is a no-no. So, bad hygiene, being homophobic, I don't like it because guys who are homophobic that think every gay man wants them, that just is a turn off. And y'all know exactly who I'm talking about. There are men in this world who think every gay man wants them just because they say hi to them or anything else. No, I don't like it. Or they like just find reasons to like say some ignorant stuff. Also being rude to people for no reason. Not speaking when you see someone. I hate when people, like, I hate when you greet someone and they don't speak to you. Especially, like, say if you're, like, introducing your guy to, like, a friend and he just, like, blatantly just, like, doesn't say anything to her. Why you gotta be like that? Be a little, you know, a little nicer. Don't like that. I can say instant friend turn-offs is when friends are being like obsessive in the friendship. Like, if you're making a big deal about me hanging out with like another person, or if you're making a big deal about me like doing something without you, I don't like it. Like, that's not a friend. That's a friendship turnoff. Or another friendship turnoff is when you plan to make, if you make plans with your friend and then you're like, they do it with another friend and don't invite you. I'm sorry. What did I do to you? You didn't have to do that. That's kind of rude, don't you think? So yeah, that's an instant friend turn off. I'm just gonna use some concealer to add, when I add the liddy, I want it to like pop. Okay, so we're back. I got some concealer in my eyelash, but that's okay. You know, we're trucking, we're moving. All right, so we're moving on to number 5. The question is, could you date a guy who is not physically attractive at all, but a wonderful man? No, I'm just playing. Yeah, I could. Why not? I mean, my thing is like, I'm trying to be, I guess, taken care of. I feel like I should really count my words on this. Like, I should really watch what I say with this one. I could date someone who's not physically attractive at all, but a wonderful man. As long as he provides for me, I think it'll be okay. What could you give a 30-minute presentation on with absolutely no preparation? I can explain to you guys how to create a media kit without any preparation. I can do that. And I can explain the media kit and how it's gonna help you and stuff like that without preparation. I think like, because I do that all the time, I create like graphics and stuff for bloggers and different stuff like that, where I just like, and now like, yeah, I know why you need it. I know what you need to have on it. I know what you don't need to have on it. I know why it's gonna be beneficial, why people should have a media kit, what style you should have a media kit, all of that. I can explain to you why it's beneficial for you. could bring back any trend from the past, what would it be? Oh, a trend from the past. I mean, honestly, every trend that I really like is like back. Everyone has been like recreating it, like the flip up on the ends of the hair. Everyone has recreated that. Like, you know, everyone's bringing back the 90s hairstyles. Like, there's not really a trend that can come back that would be like, yeah, I wish it was coming back. No, there's no trend. I think we've covered all those trends. They're back. Is if you were on the show I Love New York, what guy would you have chosen to date in the end? That show, I know one thing. New York is my favorite. Like, favorite personality. I mean, I want to say Chance because Chance is so like cute. He's so funny, so positive. You know what I mean? Like, I would honestly say Chance. I would want Chance to win. Would you rather date a professional? Oh my God, no. Would you rather date a professional football player or a rapper, and why? If I had to choose between the two, I would probably date a rapper because it just looks like, I don't know, rappers look like they have a lot of fun, but then like, I feel like on both spectrums you're gonna get like somebody who's gonna eventually kind of sway towards another route, like kind of cheating on you. No, I'm just playing. I would date a rapper. I just think it would be cool to go on tour with him and stuff. And like, I would date someone who would take me on tour because I'm fully aware that some rappers do not take their girlfriends on tour. But it would just be like so cool to like be with someone who's about their craft. I mean, football, yeah, but they get concussions and they are susceptible to like breaking their bones and stuff, and ooh, I don't think I could be put through that. My man be like injured. Oh my God, I can't even think about it. But rappers, it just seems like a really exciting time. I feel like when you're dating a rapper, like, I don't know, it just seems like it'd be a exciting thing to be, you know, going to concerts. Everything's like really hype and stuff. So I don't know, maybe a rapper would be the route I would take. This is the last question. What is something that you'll never do again? Ooh. Something I'll never do again. I won't ever allow anyone to disturb my peace and come into my life and dictate what I'm gonna do with what I want to do in my life. Like, I will never let them stop me from achieving the goals I've set before they came into my life. Because, you know, I have done that with like friends. I haven't gone through with things because of friendships. I haven't gone through with things because of relationships I've had. Like the last relationship I had really like stopped me mentally. And at one point I just had to say like, I'm done with you. Like, you're really bad for my mental health. And it's okay to leave someone if they're bad for your mental health, because if the roles were switched, y'all, people would honestly drop you if you were bad for their mental health. Like, I get that sometimes we can work with people, but we don't have to be put through people's unhappiness because they are resentful to other people and they're taking it out on you. Don't ever let anybody take any of their unhappiness or anything like that out on you. And don't let yourself become so wrapped up in being like empathizing with someone and you don't have any boundaries. I literally just posted like, empathy without boundaries is self-destruction, because you are letting someone dump everything on you and it's just not okay. Like, especially when people know they're like emotionally dumping on you and they're just like relying on you and they're not even trying to help themselves. Like, imagine being with someone and allowing them to just like dump on you and not ever like taking your advice or listening or going to therapy. At this point, we're gonna all just have to go to therapy. You know what I mean? Therapy. Therapy is the answer. I'm being honest. So for contouring, I'm using this Glamour Bronze in the color Megastar. It's like this big ass bronzer. It's kind of a little too light for my skin tone, not even gonna lie. It might be the perfect one, but during the summer it was kind of too late because I got a tan. For fall, I'm going for like a really deep contour. I'm so excited for like fall content, guys, because I'm planning some Halloween content before this season wraps up. You guys, if you know me personally, you know that I love Halloween. Like, I love Halloween so much. I love the idea of doing like gore and like blood and all that makeup look. It just looks so bomb. So definitely look out for like that content on Instagram. Please make sure you're following because y'all, I am about to do the most extreme thing I've ever done for any costume ever. So I'm really excited to like showcase that. I'll be filming my Vlogmas intro soon. I am definitely planning on hitting up Vlogmas and getting that shit popping. Like, that is gonna be lit, I'm telling you. But I'm thinking of doing like some more story time, so make sure you guys are joining the squad, the mob. I'm honestly gonna call it the mob. Make sure you guys enjoy ItGirl mob because I got some shit planned, okay? Lots of things planned. Planning on showing you guys some, coming up with a course to like show you guys how to do, like I said, I know how to do this stuff, these graphics and stuff you need as an influencer. Definitely excited to show you guys how to do that. For my mascara under my eyes, I'm gonna be using this Milk Kush Mate mascara.
Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie.
That concludes this beauty tutorial, this fall glammed up tutorial Q&A juicy questions. I enjoyed this. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys soon. Bye.
Good by myself, spending this money and I'm meeting myself. Now I'm glowed up and you're stuck by yourself.